Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to generate a QR code for your Instagram. So if you want to generate a QR code for your Instagram profile, so anyone can find you by easily scanning this QR. You can generate it really easily, or if you want to scan a QR code of anyone else Instagram profile, you can easily do it by this feature. So in order to generate your QR code, first you need to open your Instagram app, and here you need to click on the three-line icon at the top right corner of your screen. And now you can see that there are lots of options will be given. You need to select the QR code option. You can see that QR code for your profile will be generated. You can customize it in either of the color, or you can also scan the QR code for somebody else by clicking on scan QR code, and now you can easily scan the QR code for anybody else. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to generate or scan the QR code of Instagram profile. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.